Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. This morning, we're going to be doing an organization and declutter video. My kids have been out of school since early June, and my foyer area has become like a little clutter spot, a complete clutter spot for them. I put that area, we put that area there so they would have an area to put their shoes. But it has been a catch-all spot. It's been catching everything that they have in their hands when they walk in the door. So sit back and relax and watch me go through and dissect and declutter each and every part of this foyer area. This is what everything is looking like. My kids got their vacation Bible school stuff up here. My oldest daughter got her Bible. They got bonnets, hats. It's a catch-all area. All their clothes that they take off supposed to go right here. They're supposed to take this container, take it to the bag. It's full now, so we got to do that. And look at all their shoes. Book bag right there. Few little items I got to pick up right here. But yeah, it has literally became a catch-all area. Now right here, this is the shoe tower. This shoe tower my mom bought. And it is genius. Like, don't mind the string on the door. That's for our kitty cat. But let me see if I can unzip it. It's easy to unzip, but I'm doing it with just one hand. This is it. So if you have a large family, Lulu, if you have a large family and you have lots of shoes, this is great storage to put in your living room to like hide it. It says shoes, Temu. Excuse me, Lulu. Excuse me. Lulu. That's all right, y'all. Should be all right. We'll leave it there for a second. So we're gonna pretty much take all of this stuff here, put it in its rightful place, take these shoes, put it inside of the shoe tower. And I'm gonna also show you the other things that was up there too. All right, they had book bags. These are their book bags from the previous school year. All of that was sitting up there. More pairs of shoes right here. Pool noodles, little purses, little AirPods that go in your purse, toys, masks and stuff from the little arcades and Chuck E. Cheese, Frankie's, all of the above. More vacation Bible school stuff. Books. Yes, books that my daughter loves to read. All these books came from my church. She keeps reading these books, reading them because she likes to reread stuff. And it's secure, I promise, soon as she's done, we'll be returning them back. Just know they're in good hands. If you're watching on today, they're in good hands. They're going back as soon as the little bookworm can get her reading out, because she'll read and read and read, and I thank God for that. I'm so grateful that she has a love for reading like that. But that's a lot of the items that were out of place. So a purse, we got purses too. And pretty much what I'm gonna do is just put everything in its rightful place and provide ideas and tips and different little things that you can use if you have a foyer area like I do, to organize, re-spruce, and to give more space to a little area. All right, everyone, let's dive into this clutter corner. In this corner, I'm taking off everything from each and every part of this stand. This stand was purchased from Five Below about 3.5 years ago when we first moved into this house. Even the book bag and coat hanger that's above was also purchased from not Five Below, I'm sorry, but Hobby Lobby, just in case if anyone is interested in where we got the stand and the coat hanger from. But I really, really enjoy the fact that we have this tower that's to the left. Like I said earlier, the tower to the left, the gray tower, was purchased from Temu, and it was very affordable, and my mom purchased that. We also have another one, but it has not been put up yet. I really, really love that thing. It is so quick and easy for us to put things up. And we're getting ready to take this bag right here and turn it into a bag for books for my kids, for their Bibles, for their library books, and everything in between. Because a lot of times, like I told you, since they've been out of school during this summer, this area has literally been a catch-all area. Like anything that was in their hands when they walked in the door goes straight to the area. It's been like that for a couple of months now, and I said, it's getting out of hand. Now it's time for me to tackle this. That little heart-shaped rock that you just saw, that is a rock that my daughter found a couple months ago. She loves rocks, and it's all-purpose cleaners from Dollar Tree that I'm using right now to clean off the stand itself. I love exactly how everything looks. It looks so good. I just love cleanliness. I'm sweeping off everything, and let me know in the comments down below when you clean up. Do you use this time to go through, move your furniture as you're cleaning, get those baseboards? I get those baseboards and everything when I start doing my deep cleaning and decluttering, because I feel like that's something that don't get moved like that. So I go ahead and just clean everything at one time. I ended up cleaning the baseboards. I can't remember if I got that on camera or not, but if I didn't, I still clean my baseboards when I move furniture. I use that opportunity to do that. So I'm gonna stop all the talking and let y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Y'all get to see the new addition to our family, Miss Little Lulu. She is all in the camera. She's loving every part of it. Anytime I'm doing anything, keeping busy or anything like that, she's right there with me. And I did include the baseboards inside of the video. I thought I didn't include that. So just sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the video. All right, everyone, this is how everything is looking. It's real neat, real clean. This bag right here with the stripes on it, it's for books now. This one will still be for clothes because my kids like taking their clothes off as soon as they walk in the door. They're gonna take their clothes off and run around and play. And I put a cute little nook here. I didn't do much decorating. I know everything looks more plain than what I normally would like it. But this is a whole functional area. Like, we use this year round. Book bags, coats. We normally put book bags in this top part. Coats, umbrellas, and stuff like that will go on the hangers. And we use this for the clothes, as I said, and the books, because my kids always do it for their Bibles, books that they read throughout the week, library books, whatever will go there. And the bottom area will be for shoes, because like I told you earlier, we have the extra shoe storage right here in this far corner for their other shoes. So there we go. I pray that everyone enjoyed this video on today. Make sure you like, comment, and there goes Lulu's face right there. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you all. I'm back, everyone. I'm sorry that I let y'all go so quick. I did not explain where I purchased my items because a lot of people like to know that. This container right here, this is a Hearth and Hand container by Joanna Gaines. That is a common brand at Target. We have this discounted place called Treasure Hunt in my area. I got this for $1. This is a name brand item for $1. The plant right here came from Five Below. These are rocks that my kids pick up. They love rocks. This one is in shape of a heart. My baby girl did that one. And my nephew picked up this one day. He said it looked like a foot to him. He said it looks like a foot. I know. Looks like a foot to him. I just love their little creativity. So I left their rocks up here because they like for these rocks to be left right here. They looks at them all the time. And my grandma comes a lot, and she likes to charge her phone in this particular area. So I made sure her phone charger was where she left it. She normally wraps it around this pole right here. We have a cat now, so I felt like that was not safe for her with it hanging so low. So I decided to put it right here. Make sure, oh yeah. And this basket right here, this is an Amazon find. This also came from that discounted place I told you all about, Treasure Hunt. I paid $1 for this too. It looks so high end. If you've never been to Treasure Hunt, make sure you go and check them out. You can find a lot of high end items from Treasure Hunt. And also the lamp, y'all. The lamp came from Treasure Hunt itself. It was $1. That was another high end find. And you could charge your cell phones too there. That's another reason why I put it in the front, in the living room also. Because you can actually do your phone and you can cut the light off and on. Yep, just like that. Forgot to share that with all of you. I had to make sure I do that before I left. That's the whole purpose of this video. So you can get tips, prices, and you can also recommend places for people to shop. So I'm gone for real this time. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video. I love all of you.